Hi, and thank you so much to Mary's Given Fund for helping the Edna W Runner Tutorial Center build this amazing garden learning program. Mary's Growing Garden is located right on the campus of our beautiful center in Jupiter, Florida, and you've supported us from the very beginning. This garden, thanks to a team of volunteers and your support, was able to put together one of the most iconic and beautiful food-producing gardens we could have ever dreamed of. This team of volunteers has been there from the beginning, as have you. Now, the garden is proud to have 12 different garden beds and has become
Thank you
something the community is all proud of.
What a great team!
We thank you for that. But we weren't over. Then it was time to get growing with Mary's Giving Fund. And we've now been able to create a location for pollinators, a place where kids can grow fresh food, where they can learn about how food is created, that it comes from the earth, and we're able to start a garden learning program with your support. This program includes the opportunity for kids to garden on their own, using science and math, to work together in teams with a custom curriculum. They've learned how to grow food at home and how to work together to improve their test scores and have a lot of pride in the beautiful garden. So whether it's growing food or having beautiful flowers, this garden has transcended anything we could have hoped for as far as education and community outreach. The students are able to choose their own food, decide what they want to plant, and then they work together to harvest that food and create meals and bring food back to their family. Thanks to a new culinary program, the teachers are learning too. We're learning how to help our students understand where healthy food actually comes from. And we've learned a lot about the different types of vegetables that are available. So whether it's beautiful gardens or whether it's beautiful flowers or great food, our students get to work together with a team of volunteers that help them plant parsley and herbs and carrots and beans and kale and lettuce so that they can in turn make food for their own families. We've given out over 600 giving gardens since we started, and we could not be more grateful. The children absolutely love working on these garden projects, and it gives them such pride to know that they've done these things themselves. So the garden kits that you provided allowed us to plant all kinds of different types of foods and to share those with the community around us and to try some new foods ourselves. So we couldn't be more grateful to you. We look forward to a long relationship where our kids can continue to learn to grow foods, work with the community around them, and have real pride in building something for themselves that they can share with others. And you were the seed that started it all. Thank you so much.